Subhikshta. I am studying in UKG.
My name is Tejas. I am studying in LKG.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu. Dr. Bendre Shivaram Karao. Vati Venkatesh Iyengar. V.K. Gokal. U.R. Anantamurthy. Girish Karnat. Shankar Shekhar Kamra.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu. Kathakali Kerala. Kathak Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri Manipur. Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh. Odissi Odisha. Satraya Assam. Makki dance Madhya Pradesh. Dandiya Gujarat. Yakshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra. Rivers of India. Brahmaputra. Ganga. Godavari. Indus. Strawberry. Krishna. Mahanadi. Narmada. Periyar. Tamrabarani. Vaigai. Yamuna.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas. Rigveda. Yajurveda. Samaveda. Atharvana Veda.
Dasavatara Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara for Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nasimha, Vamana, Pasurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Planets of solar system.
Planets of solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Gobesara Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golden Temple, Punjab. Kajura Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Sun Temple, Odisha. Nalanda University, BR. Taj Mahal, Agra.
Epics of India.
Epics of India. Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarirlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Oraji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee,
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India. Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Colombo, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka. Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Indian festivals.
Indian festivals. Gombeshwara, Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Mohara, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India. Durgabai Deso, Anna Safali, Tudesa Kimpalini, Rani Lakshmibai, Samoda Deru, Kastuba Gandhi, Basanti Devi, Kindu Nani Chandama, Begat Hazrat Mahal.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India. Andhra Pradesh, Assami, Bengali, Kudo, Logri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Bengali, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
District in Karnataka.
Districts in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Bannari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belgavi, Chamarnagar, Chikmagalur, Chikbalapura, Chitradurga, Rakshina Kannada, Devanagari, Dharuvar, Ladakh, Assam, Haveli, Kalaburgi, Kodugu, Kolar, Koppala, Bandiya, Mysore, Damanagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi. Lotus Temple. Lotus Temple, New Delhi. Chanti Stoop, Madhya Pradesh. Patapur Sikri, Agra. Hampi Port, Madhya Pradesh. Galia Port, Madhya Pradesh.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists. APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyanarayana Bose, Meghnad Saha, Pablo Chandra Ray, Salih Ali, Homi J. Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Ramanujan, C.V. Rama, Subrahmanya Chandrasekhar.
Country and capital.
Country and capital. India, New Delhi. Russia, Moscow. Thailand, Bangkok. China, Beijing. Pakistan, Islamabad. Afghanistan, Kabul. Nepal, Thimphu. Nepal, Kathmandu. Bhutan, Thimphu. Sri Lanka, Colombo. USA, Washington. United